MrPaczw, I'm saying all this. Ndiri kutraya kuita girl zvayo right now. I'm trying, by honest.
Wanditambisira nguva same time wandicherera muguva Valentines wanditengesa maruva uchinyepa nchakuona rimwe zuva ukandiona ndina ruva. You are right, I was cheating you naruva. My bad, kazvikonzera ndiwe kuti ndimuziva kazvikonzera ndiwe saka usandiblame siya kandibam wangu usandiden kana usisade ukudei kana nsina mari ndokupei kana ndane momwe ukushotiwe ne wangu usandifendere ndaiti ticha vakaimba nash pains itipendere uri busy kungotenderera mumastreets kunge njenjere manigga said uchenjere penyu usazokupendere matext usandisendere swedera uko usandizembere. I was tryna be a better man but you made me a bitter man. Back to the old days I was your superman. Now I'm a villain yakapera story ya Romeo na Juliet. You honeys wanna settle when you're 28 when niggas be running from your 28. Let me tell you lady, gotta keep it steady. You wanna be a Betty, then call me daddy. I don't think I'm ready, your past really shady. Gotta move on, you gotta move on. Got a new girl now, I better be gone. Watch me from a distance, couldn't get drawn. Hoping you was gonna wear a wedding gown, but all you gotta wear is a morning gown. Got a queen, she got a crown. It's going down, I don't care if you frown. Yeah, tight in my fights, fight after fight, day and night. Insecurities when you left my side. Love is really blind, I lost my sight. Jealousy eating me up like parasite. You was Eve, gave me an apple bite. I was trying on my best, tryna be the best. Took you as my guest, had a heart of finesse. Trying to dress wounds when I was at my worst. Named you my queen when it was all in chess. The issue that you dressed had an address.
Chiro koko vangu chaiwo vanosvika kuti yesamanyanga vakwava yewatototi handingokwanise kumugara zvayo ndisingakudi. And the more we're spending more time together, the more I'm falling for you. Saka ini handisikuziva kuti nditell sei handisikuziva.